morning, second class children. I hope everyone is ready for the class, right? Okay. So yesterday, which lesson I took? Safety rules, isn't it? So, from safety rules, which topic we had discussed about the traffic signal lights, right? So now I am going to send you some topic about, like, you should have to write by your own children. It's like a small worksheet because already we had started the FA2 revisions. Be remember, and please submit your classwork notebooks. Whatever the worksheets I am going to send you, you should have to be ready with your worksheets and submit me in the front office. Okay, please try to understand. If you are not submitting a worksheets, we are not going to allot any marks for you children. Okay, నేను జస్ట్ సింపుల్గా మీకు వర్క్షీట్ పెడుతున్నాను. ఓకే, సో ఎస్టర్డే ఐ హ్యాడ్ షోన్ అబౌట్ ద ట్రాఫిక్ సిగ్నల్ lights, right? Okay, now today you write about it, write few lines about the safety rules. Any 5 points, only 5 points, that is enough children. Okay, next one, today we are going to talk about the other topic about the trees. Okay, so what is the new lesson? It's not a new lesson, we are going to repeat this lesson, okay, for FA2 revisions. Now listen here children, now we are going to start the FA2 revisions. We had started already we had started the revisions. So yesterday teacher had drawn the picture about what traffic signal light, isn't it? 3 different colors. We went for registration, isn't it? What are the 3 colors? Red, yellow and green. What the red light says, what the yellow light says, what the green light says, isn't it? So these are the 3 different lights we had learned. Now what you should do, either you draw the traffic signal light picture or paste it, or you can do the small model also, never mind. But please children, anything, option is yours. మీరు drawing చేస్తే no problem, pasting చేస్తే కూడా no problem. And if you are doing any small model about the traffic signal lights, so that is also no issues. Okay, anything you can do, model చేయొచ్చు, పేస్టింగ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదంటే డ్రాయింగ్ కూడా, ఏదైనా దీంట్లో ఏదైనా ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. సెలెక్ట్ ఎనీ ఓన్లీ వన్, డ్రాయింగ్, పేస్టింగ్ ఆర్ డూ ఎనీ స్మాల్ మోడల్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ పాసిబుల్. సో ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఫోర్సింగ్ యూ టు డూ ద మోడల్. టీచర్ చెప్పారు మోడల్ చేయమన్నారు, అలా కాదు, మీకు ఏది ఇష్టం ఉందో అవి చేయండి. ఓకే, now we'll come to the next topic. Now today I am going to discuss about what? Trees. What is that? Trees. Which topic? Can you able to guess? You had already learned this lesson, no? What is the name of the lesson? Yes, where it has come, this topic about the trees? Air around us, isn't it? The lesson number is 9. The name of the lesson is Air Around Us. There we had learnt about so many different things, isn't it? About why to plant the trees, why we have to save the trees, and from where do we get the air, and what is useful, and how it was very helpful for us, isn't it? So like this, so many points we had learnt in the air lesson discussion, right? Okay, now I would like to say that I will show you some topic. We will discuss about a tree. Okay, teacher will draw the tree. I will draw a tree on the board, and you should also, please children, these are all worksheets. Okay, you too try to draw a picture of a tree, and how to write the picture by your own view you can draw. Okay, tree ante nijanga alante ala neat ga ala performance ante just like a cartoon you can draw. Okay, now once I will show you what to do, why, and you can recite one small poem also. Okay, so that I will show you now children. First listen here, this is the tree. Okay, now teacher will draw a tree. Now listen here children, this is a tree. Okay, now here I am drawing the eyes, and here the tree is laughing. Okay, and from here it is a branches, and here one boy was standing here. He is holding one poster. Okay, what is the poster? I'll show you children. What he was holding it, I'll show you. Now listen here children. Here the tree, what it was holding here. Yes, here one more tree. The tree is holding one poster. Okay, what it was saying that save tree, save tree. Okay, see here, and here one more slogan it is here. What it the tree was saying again? See, look at here. The tree was saying that. Okay, now plant a tree. Plant a. You can draw like this, children. Color it. Okay, plant a tree. Add a new friend. Who is a new friend? Tree. Yes, obviously you can make a new friend. Trees and plants are what? You can make as a new friend. Why? Why did I say like that? So make a new friend. No teacher, they won't talk with us, they won't play with us. Yes, that is okay, fine. But why I am saying that trees and plants are your friend in your life? Because they are giving cool breeze, they are giving shade, they are giving fruits and vegetables, isn't it, children? So obviously you should have to make a friend, isn't it? Trees always, if you make their trees and plants or your friends, why? Because they are very useful in your life. Because they are giving fruits, vegetables, cool breeze, shade. From where do you get these all the things? If you are not making a friend as a tree, you are not making as a tree as a friend, what happens? Yes, the tree will start crying. Okay, so you make him always laugh like this. Will you make him cry like this? Tree ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తుందో దేనికోసం ఏడుస్తుంది ఇది? Because if you cut a tree, it will cry. Okay, ఇది ఏమైతుంది, మీరు కట్ చేస్తే ట్రీ ఏడుస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సేవ్, యూ ఆర్ pouring the వాటర్ అన్ని డైలీ వేయడం కానీ సన్లైట్ ఇవన్నీ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ నౌ ట్రీ ఈస్ ఎంజాయింగ్ హియర్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ సేయింగ్ డోంట్ కట్ మీ. ఇఫ్ యూ కట్ మీ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? ఐ విల్ డై. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ కట్ మీ. If you cut me, I will die. Because why I will die? Because if you cut my tree, what happens? If you cut the tree, what happens? The tree will die, isn't it? So the tree then the tree will start crying. So here we are not making the tree as not to make him to cry, but we'll make that tree to laugh. How? Yes, by just without cutting the trees, we have to save the trees. We have to plant the trees. If one plant dies, immediately you plant one more tree beside it. Okay, children. The next one is one more topic. We will write it here. Here I will write here. Don't here in the tree only. The tree in the tree. It was saying that don't cut your best friend. Don't cut me. Don't cut me. I am your best friend. I am your best friend. You can write like this. The tree was saying that. What the tree was saying now? Don't cut me. I am your best friend. Okay. So this is like this type of slogan or any message you can write about the tree. That should be about what? Save trees. Okay. Draw the pictures or you can use the color papers. Okay, color papers, green papers avanni vaadukoni cut out cheskoni tree ni. Then you can write beside some slogans about save trees. Okay, why we should have to save, why we should not cut the trees, why we have to must save the trees. I need the reasons there. Some only 2 or 3 points you write, otherwise 5 points about that trees. Okay, so or else you do this type of posters. Okay, so with the help of what colorful papers. Okay, cut out the things and do it like this. This is also one small worksheet, children. Okay, now here the boy was saying that plant more trees. What it was saying that? Plant more trees. So ఈ వ్యూని చూసుకోండి అందరూ. ఇలా మీరు ట్రీస్ దించి ఇలాంటి మెసేజెస్ మీరు అక్కడ ఒక కోట్స్ కానీ అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద స్లోగన్స్ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ వన్ small poem, children. Okay, tomorrow I will show you this about a tree poem. I will give you tomorrow. Okay, so otherwise first I will send it in the message. Tomorrow again I will go for the oral drilling practice, children. Now let me come to the next one. What is the next one? So this is about the tree. Okay, so ఇవన్నీ మీరు worksheets అన్ని రెడీ చేసుకోండి. You have to do it. These are all the worksheets about save trees. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. First, this is the the next new lesson about air around us. We are going to make, you just make the save trees. Topic is save tree. Along with any poem or any small poem or slogans, you can make it. Okay, with the help of color papers and all, you draw and do it very neatly. This is the one. And the second one is about listen here, children. Draw or paste the things which make the air unclean. What are the things which makes air unclean? Can you say? Draw or paste. You can draw easily or pasting also. Okay, draw, paste the things which makes the air unclean. Which makes the air unclean. You know what are the things which will make the air unclean? Tell me now, children. Which makes the air unclean? Yes, no. Draw or paste the things which makes the air unclean. What are the things? Yes, car, isn't it? Car. Why? Because what happens? Pollution, air pollution. Okay, smoke will comes out from the vehicle. Because of that air becomes unclean. Okay, the next one, buses. You can draw or paste this type of pictures. Why this? Why? Because the air is getting unclean. You should have to write this. Or if you want to write any points, you can write. Otherwise, you simply draw the pictures and name the vehicles. Okay, so these are the second thing. That is what about second activity is draw. First activity is about save trees. Okay, and here the second one is draw or paste the things which makes the air unclean. Now come to the point. Now what is the next one is, we are going to make a windmill. Okay, prepare is with the help of what? Prepare a windmill with the help of what? It's a small model. Okay, you can make the small model, children. Prepare a windmill, kite. Okay, all options are there. And the thing is, another one is boat. So you don't buy anything from the shop, getting the kites, colorful kites. No, you should have to make it by yourself. Okay, make it small kites and paste it in the class book, children. Prepare a small kite like this. Okay, make it like this and paste it in your class book. And if you want to paste a boat, just make this type of boat. Okay, yes, you can make this type of boat and paste it in the classwork. Is it clear, children? So you can make it kite and boat. And here one windmill. Another one is what? Windmill. Windmill also you can make it out. Okay, now how will you make the windmill? I'll show you. You can use with the charts. Okay, what is this? You can frame with the charts, children. You can use the sticks also for to draw this windmill. Okay. just like a fans. You have to make it out. Okay, is it clear now? So you make it like this windmill. With the help of A, what happens? It will move. This is the windmill. Windmill. Okay, the next one is kite. The next one is boat. So prepare a windmill, kite or boat. Okay, these are the options. So how many I had given in this lesson about this topic of which lesson? Air around us. So first we had went to save trees topic. Then draw or paste the things and makes the air unclean. Pasting or drawing, anything you can do. Take it in the options, everything. Okay. Here prepare a windmill, kite or boat. If you are preparing kite and boat, you paste it in the class. You make it very small kites and boats, children. Okay, don't make it such a big kites and pasting in the complete classwork. Not like that. Just in the make it a very small size, not that small or not that so big. Okay, and windmill you can make the model. So here I had given the everywhere I had given the options, and don't force your parents. The teacher had given this information to do it. Yes, children, obviously I had given information, but everywhere I had given the options. Or ఇది లేకపోతే అది చెయ్యొచ్చు అలా చెప్పాను. నిదానంగా చాలా నీట్గా చేయండి ప్రతి ఒక్క వర్క్. ఓకే, నౌ వీఆర్ నాట్ రైటింగ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్, వీఆర్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ ఎనీ, వీఆర్ నాట్ టేకింగ్ ఎనీ లెసన్స్, isn't it, children? So just I am giving the small activity, drawing, pasting, cutting of papers, isn't it? Please, children, go ahead with these. All the worksheets should has to submit by 22nd February. Okay, so as much as possible you go on doing these all the worksheets and keep it very safe with you. Second class children, is it clear for you all? I hope this class is very clear. So let me stop this lesson. Still tomorrow we will go with the next topic discussion. Okay, thank you children.